Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. Today's project will be a night lamp. It will be a little bit of a challenge, but stay with me. I promise you will love the end result. I'm using some Dollar Tree vases. I went and placed a circle at the center of the vase where I'm gonna drill a hole. As you guys continue to watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. After drilling my hole, I give it 3 coats of Krylon Mirror Effect spray paint. For this project, I use 4 Dollar Tree vases. I'm also using a piece of PVC that measures about 17 inches long. I cut a portion at the bottom and give it 2 coats of spray paint. I'm using wood for the base of my lamp. I also drill a small hole at one of those wood pieces. This is where my electrical cord will go. I drill a hole at the very center of my plywood, which measures about 7/8 of an inch. This is where the PVC will go. If you're gonna recreate this DIY, make sure you only drill hole in one side of the box. I made a mistake and drilled 2 holes. I corrected it by adding felt at the bottom of my base. I do not have the correct measurements for my base since I'm using the measurements for my mirror tiles. If you ever recreate this DIY, make sure you properly measure that mirror tile. I went and cut out that middle tile so I can put my PVC. I use this electrical cord that I purchased from Amazon a few years ago. I will be listing all the items used in this DIY in the description box. Before you glue the PVC inside of the box, make sure that cutout portion is facing the cord direction so you can be able to move that cord freely. I slid all 4 of my vases to the PVC and I glued them down using E6000 and hot glue. I'm using this socket that I get from an old lamp, and I finished setting up my table lamp. After putting my lamp together, I realized that I didn't really like the part where the vases are glued together. So I went and covered that with some mirror tiles that I purchased from Amazon. I will be listing all the links in the description box. you guys ever recreate that DIY, make sure you properly measure the base. I made a mistake and ended up with a small gap at the back of my base. I went and covered up with that same small mirror tiles. I purchased this lampshade from my local thrift store for $4.95, and then I embellished it with some mirror tiles. This is it, guys. This is the end of my DIY. I absolutely love the end result. You guys, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video.